Hey guys, as you can see I'm flying the drone again. The first time I flew it in over a year was for the sunflower field there when I did that video. And it's amazing how rusty you get flying that thing. It took a couple of battery refills and passes to get that much video, and it was kind of funny. The hay that we're baling there is a second crop, and first crop there we made was all large square baled, and the cows really like that hay. This hay was nice hay too. One thing fun flying the drone is the beautiful sky pictures you get. It's I always love seeing the skyline and the horizon and the clouds. It's just really a different view of things. I really love too how, like, when you're higher up you can just see like the patterns of the shadows from the clouds all on the ground, and it just it's really beautiful. Otherwise, it's been a really good haying year for us as far as weather. Um, the fields haven't been doing the best, but for weather, it's been some great patches of drying weather, and some, except for one time, there has been very timely rains. One time it got a little too dry, but otherwise there's been very timely rains, and the corn is definitely showing it. It looks nice. A lot of corn tasseling in the area. Cobs are all silked out. Soybeans have a lot of nice blossoms on too. One thing with the drone is I'm always wondering if I'm going to like fly into anything. I'm always like um, trying to keep my eyes on the screen, the video screen that shows what I'm filming, and I'm also always trying to keep my eyes on the drone at the same time to see if I'm going to fly into anything. All right, see you later.